This is where the toilet was, and this is the muddy looking goo that is underneath it, where all the flies and the worms live and the spider. And there appears to be little worms moving around. You can see their movement, lots of them, all in the mud. They've probably been feeding off of the sewage and making this into more of a muddy type substance. There is some water and there's a fly on the water. Could be fly larvae in the muddy water. Maybe the worms are fly larvae. That could very well be it. Ah, interesting. Can be the maggots.